Alright guys, we just made it home. We got less tires, which is good because we just had a bunch of and my neighbor decided to start cutting his lawn. Of course. So we're gonna be installing the diffuser today. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna put some double-sided tape for now because I don't have any drill to drill into it right now. So here we got the diffuser. By now the other video should be up, so you guys should be fine. And my neighbor is making solar filters. Talk to you guys in a bit. So guys, I just went ahead and grabbed the 3M tape. I got this thick one because the thick is better. You guys know what I mean. Got my knife, and I'm just gonna show you how the diffuser is gonna look. So this is the diffuser. I already cleaned it as well. I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, just the areas where I'm gonna be applying the 3M tape, and then I'm just gonna pull it all around the edge, all around, and then after that we're gonna clean this area right here. I don't know if you guys can see because it's kind of dirty, because this spot is always the dirtiest because of the exhaust. They throw out so much smoke and it just gets all dirty. So guys, I'm gonna start putting some rubbing alcohol under here, just to clean it up a little bit. I just realized that I'm putting rubbing alcohol under here and it's flammable. That's funny. It's okay though. We die, we die. You guys are gonna die, and then you guys are gonna see me die. All right. Alright, that should be fine. Damn, you see guys how dirty it is? Let's see how dirty my exhaust is. Yo, look at that. Alright, so now that we have cleaned both areas that we're going to be working with, I'm going to start applying the double-sided tape around the edges of the diffuser. And then once after that, I'm going to try to install it, and if it doesn't stick, then I don't know what to tell you guys, because I don't even know how to install this. I'm just doing it because I just want to install it, so I'm putting 3M tape, but I don't know if that's the right way to do it, you know? But I hope it comes out good. Enjoy the time lapse. Guys, this is how far I have gotten. I did that side is done. I did half of the middle and then I ran out. I thought I was gonna have enough, and it was expensive too. It was like $7 and it's already done. But I have these. They're smaller, but they're gonna work. They're gonna help. I don't want to go back to the store, so I'm just gonna use these. I'll keep enjoying the time lapse. Alright guys, so I have finished it. I barely even finished. Look at that. I still have some extra. I'm probably gonna put it right here a little bit just so it stays on really good. So right now I'm just gonna take off all the red, heat it up, and then put it on. Hopefully it stays on.
Later.
So guys, we just finished installing it. Apparently the bumper doesn't like hold it from down here, so I wasted my 3M tape for nothing. But up here it stayed on pretty well. This is not gonna be on forever. I'm definitely thinking about getting a Rocket Bunny rear diffuser further in the future. I also don't want to leave it with 3M tape. Probably tomorrow or Sunday, I'll drill into it in the bottom so it doesn't fall, and that way it's more secured. But for now, this is the look. It looks so clean. Getting some videos right now. Look how beautiful it looks. Alright guys, we're gonna go head out to another park to take pictures.